Good morning mga kakuliks, this is Dr. Cool. Repair and maintenance of Makita angle grinder. First, unplug the cord, visual check and use multimeter for continuity. Unscrew end cap to check carbon brush and electrical parts. If there are loose or broken connections, reconnect and repair. Replace busted carbon brush. Clean using paintbrush or toothbrush. Pull up brush spring holder to remove carbon brush from terminal. Check if broken or worn out. Replace it with new one. Always make sure to use the same specifications of carbon brush or other parts to be replaced. This one is still good. Unscrew cord clamp to check the connections visually and use your multimeter at X1 for the continuity of wire and switch. And check for the stator windings. If burned out, replace. Let us now reconnect line 1 going to the motor and the other line going to the switch. Always make sure to secure connection using heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Unscrew grinder gearbox to clean and check the bearing and pinion inside. Check the gear if stuck up. Clean the housing head, dust and bearing cover to remove the dirt. Remove interspace cover with the armature. Check the commutator and armature windings. If broken or busted, replace the armature. Remove the nut of the pinion using wrench. Remove the bearing seal and check the ball bearing if broken. Replace it and add grease. Bearing number are indicated on the seal. Put back the bearing seal and cap for protection. Replace the pinion and nut. Tighten it lightly using your wrench. Add grease on gear and bearing housing. Use fine grit sandpaper, maybe 1000 or 2000, to clean the commutator carefully. Now, mount and align the armature to inside housing with stator. Replace and align the grinder head or gearbox to the mounting hole and tighten 4 screws. And now, to check the large bevel gear, remove 4 screws on the grinder front cap and add grease inside. After greasing, replace and align the grinder cap to the mounting hole. Tighten 4 screws. Finally, put back 2 carbon brush and holder. Replace if broken or worn out. Make sure to use the correct carbon brush for every model. Not too loose and not tight. Almost a perfect fit. And again, to remind you, always read and base on labels and based on manufacturer's manual. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to our channel.